Linen fibers strengthen the durable paper used for dollars.
All right, swing it over to the conveyor.
Clear on this side.
Setting it down now.
Experts inspect fibers for strength, purity, and durability.
Machines break cotton into thousands of soft fibers.
Mechanical rollers prepare linen fibers for blending.
Cotton and linen blend for strong banknote paper.
Automated conveyors transport fibers deeper into production. Prepared fibers collect before entering the pulping stage.
Next, fibers transform into pulp for currency paper.
Microscopes confirm the fiber blend meets strict standards. Fibers enter giant tanks to begin pulping. Water and fibers combine inside powerful pulping machines. Engineers test pulp density and fiber consistency. Fibers break down into thick paper pulp slurry. Refining machines strengthen fibers inside the pulp mixture. Fibers break down into thick paper pulp slurry. Special chemicals purify the pulp for currency paper. Pulp flows through pipes toward the paper forming machines.
Pulp spreads across mesh, forming the first paper layer.
Vacuum systems remove water from the forming paper sheet.
So the first sheet of dollar paper finally appears.
Colored security fibers are added to protect the currency. Red and blue fibers disperse through the paper sheet.
A security thread is embedded inside the forming paper.
Laser systems ensure precise placement of security threads. Fibers seal the security strip within the paper.
Microprinting adds hidden identification to the security thread. Ultraviolet light reveals hidden security patterns in the thread. Automated systems inspect security features across every paper sheet.
Defective sheets are automatically removed from the production line.
Secure currency paper moves to the next production stage.
A little to the left, slow down.
Okay, holding steady.
Looks good on my end, lock it down.
The alignment on the watermark roller seems slightly off on this side.
Yes, I noticed that too. Let me make a micro adjustment.
Check the distribution near the center watermark. It's registering below the threshold.
Confirmed. We need to initiate the rejection protocol for this batch.
Keep an eye on the tension gauge. We're running close to the limit on this batch. Make sure the counts match the manifest.
Heated cylinders dry currency paper before finishing.
We are running at optimal speed and temperature right now.
Agreed. The paper quality looks excellent coming off the line.
Check the pressure reading now. It's holding steady at 50 psi. The fans are clear. Check the sensor on the left. It's fluctuating.
Noted. The temperature is stable further down.
The optical density is fluctuating right here. See the red flags?
Yes, that's unacceptable. Pull that skid immediately. Precision machines cut currency paper into printing sheets.
The edge registration is off by 2 microns here.
Rerouting the sheet. Calibration sequence initiated.
Gates are open. Convoy, you are clear to proceed.
Roger. Moving out. Maintaining secure distance.
Security paper arrives where real US dollars are printed.
The alignment on the watermark is drifting.
Noted. I'll recalibrate the tension rollers.